here's Tommy. Hello girls, guys, and non-binary pals. Here I am presenting you the not so latest, not so greatest, but otherwise really good products that might just fly below the radar with so many huge companies trying to get your attention to their own products. So here it is. I've been saving a long time for this baby. This product was announced in August 2017. It was finally released on November 2018, but this one in specific started going out in February to March 2019. This one in specific, I've been waiting a long time to get it in my hands, to finally be able to use it and put it to good use also. You'll be learning about that in a while. Okay, let's start. Here it is, the Red Hydrogen 1 Titanium Edition. 256 GB of memory, 6 GB of RAM, and feels heavy. It actually is really heavy, but I don't mind. This is the one that I wanted. This is the one I've been saving for, and let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, let me see where to open it up from. Okay, all right. I can start right here. At first glance, feels really sturdy. It's a really good presentation. Love the logo, the Red Hydrogen Media logo. It's actually a really pretty box. I'm really liking it. I'm gonna save it and use it for storing things. Wow, what a beauty. What a beauty. I just love it. Many people don't like it. It is too rugged, too big. I don't care. This is what I've been saving for. And this is what I wanted. See? Hydrogen medium machine. Let's go for it. I've heard a lot of people do reviews about this phone. They say it's extremely heavy. It is heavy. It is. You'll definitely feel it on your pockets. You're not gonna leave it anywhere, because you'll definitely know instantly that it is not in your pocket. Definitely. It is heavier than any phone. Definitely. But I think I'll manage. Okay, let's see how it goes. It is really well designed. I love the design. I love how it looks. I love how it feels really good in the hands. It definitely is not gonna slip out of your hands. It is really rugged. Well, let's take out the plastics. I don't want to. I really don't want to. I love to leave the plastics on, but what would I do with it? Nothing. Let's take this off. Okay, there's the screen. Oh, hear it. Oh, that is an amazing sound. Let's take the one from the camera and from the whole body of the phone. Okay. Okay. Good. Let's see if it has any power on. Okay. Okay, it has power. I don't know if it should be 3D. Oh, there it is. I can see the 3D now. You won't be able to see it now, but we'll work something out for later. You'll see. It looks good. I've had experience before with 3D phones. They definitely don't look like this. At least it is weird. It is like inside. It's not like some parts looks like it's coming out of the phone, but most of it is like it's hollow on the inside, and you can just grab it. Uh, Looks really good. I really like the video quality. I know. 3D is dead. Many people say that. I don't believe that. I truly believe 3D it's really good, and it could get better. It could get better appreciation, but since it's not a mainstream use, it doesn't have a mainstream use, and a lot of people get dizzy with it. They get maybe nauseous with it, but not me. I love 3D. I really love it. I love watching 3D movies. I love watching anything I can on 3D. I just love it. Let's see what's else. It's still loading. It's taking a long time loading. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay. Here we can see. Okay, what's here? It's the book. Instructions. What else? Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got the charger, the wall charger. It's 3 amps. It works 3 amps up to 12 volts, 5, 9, and 12 volts, and really good USB Type-C cable. USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Really good, and it feels good quality. Okay, nothing else in the box. Let's go to the phone. Okay. I'm really surprised with it. I've seen a lot of reviews for this phone, not specifically this one, because this is the titanium version, and it does look really good. I really like it. I liked it before. I think I'm in love now. I'll be using it as my primary phone. I'll let you know what I think about it afterwards. From the point of view of a 3D lover, of a person who loves 3D, who is actually expecting a lot from this phone. I've just seen a lot of videos just trashing the phone, but I'm here to give it the best shot. I'm still gonna use it for myself. This is still gonna be my phone. I'm not gonna change it, but I'll give you an honest review from a 3D lover. So I'll let you guys know how good or how bad is it. Okay? Well, take care. See ya. Peace.